Hi everyone, welcome back in this kitchen. For today I'm going to show you how I make my sweet peanut candy. Okay. You just need 500 gram of sorted peanut, and you are going to blend it. After blending your peanut, it's going to be like this. You see it? Everybody like doing it in their own way, but me, I prefer it this way. Please guys, you really need to try my recipes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new here, and give me your idea about what you think about my recipes. Thank you. Let's get started. After blending your peanut, it's going to look like this. And we'll be needing some sugar, 1 bowl of sugar. The next step is that you are going to add your sugar. See here? Your sugar should be like this. And now you are going to add your peanut into it. And keep blending it. Blend it. Your peanut should have this brown color. Keep your stove on low so that it won't get burned. Okay. The next step is that you are going to be needing something like this. With your knife and a little bit of oil. So here you are going to rub the oil. So I give you how to grind it. Yeah, peanut. As you can see, the peanut should be like this. The peanut should look like this. Cut it this way.